Warning. Upon entering this pen of big-headed goats, I may be butt to death. I don't know. Don't ever wear flip-flops. Yeah, as I'm wearing flip-flops. I have had toes stomped on, man. I'm going to tell you what. Ouchie, ouchie. Stop it. You're already hurting me. Wait. Here comes the food. Here comes the... Ah! Uh-oh. Almost lost it now. Hey, 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 hey. Give me my bucket. Give me my bucket. Move. Hawk. Being a brat. Here you go. Yeah. Not yet. Okay. Hold on. Get out of here. I got to dump these pans. Hold on, Ivy. Let me get them away from the gate before they get... You see that? You see them butt each other? That's what I'm talking about, girl. Move, guys. Oh, my gosh. You drive me bananas. Okay. Hello, hawkers. Come on out. Louise. Get off. Owie, owie, owie. Get off. Okay, come on over here. Ouch. Abra, you better stop it. That was karma. Huh. Ivy, why did you let Eva in here? Why did you let Eva in here? Abra, I'm gonna laugh when she hits you in your eye. Abra. Abra, don't fuck around. Here you go. Fuckaroo. What, feed them? Hold on, let me get... Here you go. Give you a scoop. Preferably... shoot. I don't know, anywhere you want to, baby. Because they're fighting over spots right now. Louise. Gizmo, huh? This one here? Shh, you guys. This one's name is Bruno. He lives in the wild. He doesn't like to be touched. Oh, look at here. Nothing domesticated about him at all. He too will not let me touch him. And y'all know me. He's my favorite. He's like almost solid black. Isn't he gorgeous? Okay. Dude, like, I named him Ferdinand because that movie Ferdinand the Bull. Look at this beautiful bastard. Okay, hold on. You don't hit. All I gotta do is move him. Gizmo, haven't you had enough? You're just fat.
Gizmo.
You beautiful bastard. Ferdinand. All right. Seriously, put it on a surface. They don't like eating off the ground, Ivy. You see, they don't like eating off the ground. I'm gonna have to dump some. They're tired of waiting on you. You slow girl. Hold on. Here, I'll put some right here. There, y'all. Oh, he on this. Oh, I can dump this pan. Hold on, baby. We have a pan right here. Eee. All this damn rain. Making everything disgusting. Right here. Just good. There you go. Put it in there. Here you go, Mamacita.
No, go.
Oh, Louise, seriously? Bruno, ow! He hit me with his horn. Louise! Oh, okay, I'll pick up the bucket and I'll let you... Ow, my finger's stuck. Dude, my finger's stuck. Owie. Okay. Here. Scoop and go. Better make it quick. Ivy, let me just pour it in your scoop. Ready? Whoa, look at there. That's it. Rock and roll. Booyah! Bye-bye, everybody. Eat well, huh? All right, come on. Abra, Eva, let's go. I need to dump this out. That's more fresh than... You got it? Watch your finger now.